Today I'm gonna talk about the five best screen recorder for Android. So on the screen you can see I have filtered the five screen recorders which has more than 4.5 review or the rating in Play Store. So I have filtered according to my preference. So I believe the best screen recorder for Android is DU recorder. So I'm going to explain you how and why I like DU recorder. I'm going to give you reasons as well. So the second is AZ screen recorder, and the third is screen recorder, and the fourth is screen recorder. So you can look at the icon of both of the screen recorder. It's a bit different. And the fifth one is EZ screen recorder. So each screen recorder have its own function and uh, options. So today I'm gonna show you the settings and the advantages of each screen recorders for this Android device. So let's talk about DU recorder first. Yes, so this is DU recorder's interface. So you can see if you go to the settings, you can see you have a lot of settings where you can change the resolution of the video up to 1080p. So video quality also you can adjust here, and I would recommend you to put it as auto recommended, and the fps should be on auto recommended. And until or unless you face difficulties with the fps, you can change it to 60 fps. So the only drawback with all the recorders is that you cannot record the internal audio of any video clip or the game or the gamings. This is because it's written clearly that internal audio recording is not allowed by Android right now. So Android doesn't have a feature to record the internal voice. So this if you put it off, there is no audio which is gonna get recorded. If you put it on, the speaker, the volume. So suppose you're playing a video and if your volume is full, that sound is gonna get recorded from the mic. So here you can change the video location, either SD or the internal storage. So uh, yeah, so recording mode, put it as standard for all the device, and hide the record window while, yeah, so you can put it on if you don't want the record window to pop up at the time of recording. And this is the best feature which I have liked in a DU recorder. This is the reason I like DU recorder. It's because it has the option to stop the recording if you shake the phone. So uh, yeah, so this is a best feature because it's very difficult for few people to, or it's not convenient for people to go and stop the recording while you record something. So this feature allows you to shake the phone and stop the recording. And then you can put the sensitivity as the mid, like don't put it as low and plus as well, just put it in the middle as usual. And if you don't want this option to be enabled, just click on this, it will get it will go. Then you can, yeah, there is an option for countdown. So if you want to if you don't want any countdown, once you click on record button, you can just click on no countdown. If you want to prepare for 3 seconds, you can just click on 3 seconds, or if you want more time, you can increase it to 10 seconds. So yeah, even if you want to hide the recording button on the home page, you can give it as yes, or you can put it as no. So these are recording tools what you can find. So camera is nothing but you if you put on the camera at the time you record the record, yeah, you can see your face on the screen. So basically to make it convenient for for you to explain things, you can just put on the camera so that you will be captured on the screen with the screen recorder. So if you put on the brush, it's nothing but you can start drawing on the screen. So this is one of the best option which is available here. So you can start drawing things on the screen. So this is pretty good option which is available uh, for the screen recorder, because if you want to write something on the screen and show, you can show it, you can express it. So if you want to write something on the screen, okay, and then you have the option to erase the same. You can erase it. And I don't think this feature is available in in any other recording softwares. And yeah, so also then once you're done with it, you can put it off. Yeah. So GIF recorder is nothing but you can record you can capture the screen in a GIF format. So it will be the motion pictures which is captured, and you can record it, and it will be a it will be of less size. So here you can see live creator. The live creator is nothing but is this. So this is used to create live videos. So suppose you have a Facebook or a YouTube account where you want to put something as live. So you don't have to do anything. You just have to click on this, and then you okay, at the time of recording the screen you will not be able to go live. So if in case you want to go live, just put on this option, then you will have two options, that is Facebook or YouTube. So you once you click on Facebook or YouTube, you have to link your account with a DU recorder. Once you link your account, you will be able to go live directly on Facebook or YouTube. So a watermark is nothing but this is the watermark of this particular software which comes under the on the screen at the time of recording. So if you want to enable it, you can enable it here so that the DU recorders watermark will be shown here, or you can disable it here. And the best part is that this has inbuilt video editor which is available. That is, if you click on this, automatically the editor will be captured here. This is the DU editor. So you can probably edit the video before uploading to YouTube or anywhere else. So yeah, that's all the features of DU recorder, and I prefer to use this recorder because this is one of the best recorder which is available in the Play Store with high rating. I think it's almost, let's see what is the rating for this DU recorder. I think almost 4.7, 4.8. So 4 is pretty good, and you can see all the users has given very good rating, and user reviews 98%, and free content is 98%, assuming videos viewing 97% of play HD. Yeah, all comes above 95%. So which is pretty good for a recording software, and uh, yeah. So with no doubt I would prefer DU recorder. And let's come to the second recorder. DU recorder, one more option. So basically currently I'm using DU recorder for recording the software, the screen recording. So here you have an option to uh, pause the video, pause the recording at the time of doing it. So you just have to click on this double slash button, and second is the stop button and the settings and the screenshot. If you click on this, you can take the screenshot of the page. And now let's talk about second um, recorder. Now let's talk about the AZ screen recorder. So Yeah. So as I said, the only problem with the SHC screen recorder is that it's not for free. You have to pay for the premium version. But DU recorder at the same time, it's not free. You can use all the features for free of cost. So let's see how AZ recorder works. So one more thing, feature wise, AZ recorder is the best. You have lot and lot of features available in AZ recorder. So I have clicked on AZ recorder and the icon has been created here. So if you don't want this, you can just put it in the cross mark so it will get deleted. So okay, I'm just keeping this for easy access for the settings and other options. So here as well, the notification bar, the exit recorder option will be floating. So now let's go to the settings and see how good is exit recorder. So here you can see there are a few options available. First option is control option. So encoder is put as advanced, and it's because support pause, and the default mode doesn't support pause, I believe. So let's put it as advanced all the time. So use magic button. So there is a this is a good option which is available as a recorder. So a magic button can be used to pause videos without uh, any. So basically, when you go to pause or stop video recording, it will act as a magic tool. So here you can see magic is used to pause or resume or stop recording without showing anything on the screen. So this is only the pro feature. So only if you buy the app, you will be able to use this feature. So here is the amount. It's of 190 rupees. Uh, so if you buy this, I believe it's worth. I mean, if you want, if you are a pro who keep on recording screen, I mean, for your YouTube or any other purpose, I would recommend to buy the software so that you will be able to use all these softwares, all these options. So now you can unlock all previous features for free for 1 day by watching and installing a video advertisement. So this is one option which the software give. So if you watch a video, you would be able to unlock it for a day. So anyway, I'm not going to use this, so I'm just going to close it. So if you want, you can. So you would be able to get this option every time, I believe. So once you click on this, click on OK and come back. Okay, so it's not for not every time, I believe. So yeah, so you have to click on the back button so that you will be able to see this option. Okay. So now let's go to the stop option. That's nothing but there are few options to stop the recording. You can use all these options. Show by stop by notification, show when blinking dot, stop on screen off, stop on shake. Even the shake option is available here as well. So if you shake the mobile phone, that the recording will get paused or stopped. So video configuration, the best thing is that 1920 and 1080p is available. The resolution is available here, and let's put it as 1280 into 720 because the video size will be lesser. If you want even lesser size, you can put it as 640 into 360. So your frame rate is 30 fps and bitrate is auto, orientation auto. So if you want to get the landscape, you can capture the landscape or the portrait mode or auto. So whenever your screen gets rotated, your recording will be done. So audio configuration, as the previous one, there is no option to record the internal audio. That's just that you can record the external audio. So this is one of the best option and features which I felt. So text and logo. So at the time of recording, we can put some kind of text yeah, on the screen. So here, this text can be edited over here, and font can be changed. So the font can be changed here, and text color, background, text size. If you want to increase size, we can increase it 40. So you can set it over here and then show logo. So if you want the logo, so this is the best thing I found in AZ Recorder. So logo, the normal logo, the default logo which comes is AZ Recorder logo, but you have the option to select a lot of smileys, stickers. Uh, so basically, even the pictures can be selected. So I'm just selecting this picture. You can place it over here. So basically, anything can be placed here. So this smiley can be used to. So yeah, this is one of the best feature which is available here, and you can adjust the size as well. So if you want a bigger size, you can put it as 15 or 25. Yeah. So this is all about AZ Recorder. So uh, if you're looking feature wise, you can go for AZ Recorder. That will give you more features. And you can surely buy the software for 190 rupees. I believe it's worth buying the software rather than. So the other problem might be you might go ahead with the premium, the VIP version of this, or you can just try for a day first, and then if you like it, you can go for that. Otherwise, you can just ignore it. So you can also set the show camera. So this option is available only for pro version, the camera version, or else if you're a person who requires this, you can buy the pro version. So time recording is nothing but even the duration of the recording will be shown on the screen. And countdown before start also can be adjusted to 3 or 1 second. So that's all about as a recorder. I believe this is also one of the best available in the market. And one more thing about the AZ recorder is that it has a very good rating in Play Store, same like DU recorder. So let's see how much rating this app has. So so it has a rating of 4.6, which is not at all bad. So all the reviews whichever has been posted is a very good review. Yeah. So uh, I would recommend Exit Recorder as the second or the first best recording software. Now let's talk about the screen recorder app with the recording icon in the thumbnail. So I am going to click on this. Yeah. So let's see how good is it. So here you can see the audio cannot be recorded. You can restart the phone and then try recording to solve a problem or attempt to computer to record a silent video. So it's some errors showing here. So let's see how it is going to be. Yeah. So this recorder has the shake to stop option available. So I'm just trying to take the yeah, so this is the settings for this recorder. So a video resolution is set as 1440p. So I'm gonna take it as 1080p, and video quality auto, and FPS is also auto. Hide the recording window. Same options as other. Nothing great. So show text. If you want to show the touch, you can select this option. So wherever you touch, kind of animation will be created there. And that's all. I mean, it's very basic version of any recorder which is available, and nothing great about this app. So if you want a normal recording software, you can go for that without any advanced options. So that's about screen recorder, and so yeah, and all of the features are the same, and you can just delete it by dragging it over there. Now let's see about the screen recorder, which is the fourth one. And before going further, I would like to show you the review for the screen recorder app with the recording icon. So yeah, so this is the one. So you can see the rating is 4.7 for this particular recorder. But I would prefer this recorder to use this recorder for recording purpose, because this has very basic features for recording. Yeah, so anyway, have a try on this. If you guys really like it, you can go and use the software. So now let's see the fourth one. So that's screen recorder. So here you can see uh, you have to plug this on bottom, and then you can see the same icons has been created. So you can just click on this and go to settings. So basic thing of all recorders is that the settings and the interface for all the recorders are same or are the same. So same here, video quality, auto AI. This is absolutely the same as the previous software which I've shown, the app which I've shown. So there's no need of explaining anything about this. So it is just that all the options is available here as well. But uh, comparing to the rating which is available, this can be considered as the in the best file. So let's see screen recorder, and let's see the rating for this. So you can just remember the thumbnail of this, the icon of this app. So it's a camera inside the circle. Yeah. So this also has a rating of 4.7 in Play Store. So you can see people have rated good about this app. So you can just go and download and try using this app. Yeah, I believe it's worth using. So you can just have a try on that. So now let's come to EZ Screen Coder. So yeah, so here you can see the options which is available. That's a powerful menu. Is it is totally free and with no ads. That's a pretty good thing. Uh, when everyone is giving for the premium version with with the features, this recorder is giving free of cost with no ads. Powerful menu and manage your clips. Okay, so you have to grant the permission for using the software. Once you use it, you just click on it and the icon got created here. And this is, yeah, this interface is pretty different from all other recorders. So you can click on the settings, and then you can customize the video video recording option, same as a one. So enable, yeah, so you can see here audio preference, audio record is available, but any microphone record doesn't work with headphone is plugged. Work when headphone is plugged or speaker is muted. So front camera, open camera at start. So that means the your face or the camera would be shown on the screen. And same other option, shake to find, shake the device to see where the button is. But you don't have the option shake to stop option available in this software. So that's pretty basic settings or basic version of the settings which is available for this record. So now we have spoke about all five screen recorders which is available in Android, the Play Store. which has a rating above 5.4.5. So uh, so now it's up to you to select which is the best recorder. So personally, I would prefer D recorder and AZ recorder for recording the videos, because that gives the best features. So now what you can do is, yeah. So the basic thing is that you can go ahead and we'll check the rating for the EZ recorder. So the EZ recorder is of 4.7 rating, which is very good in the Play Store market. So just have a try on this. I'm sure that everyone would like this software, and the best part of all this above software, which I have explained, is that so software doesn't need any kind of root to record. You don't have to root your mobile phone to record the screen. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I would recommend and I would suggest you to subscribe to my videos if you would like to get more updates about new softwares and apps. So please click on the like